Hello, Minnesota historians. Greetings. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and I just want to welcome you to your social studies lesson for the day. As you can see, I'm wearing some fuzzy ears. Yesterday was Earth Day, so I thought I'd dress up as one of my favorite animals to celebrate and to pass on that information. So hopefully you had a chance to celebrate and appreciate the Earth yesterday. Really quickly, I want to take you through some important information in our lesson today. So starting us off, remember this is your entry ticket slide. You click on this link, make sure that you are taking that entry ticket to get your point for participation for the day, and then move on. Today, on Thursday, April 23rd, every Thursday, Mr. Ziegler and I have office hours from 9:30 to 10:30. If you would like to come and speak with us to get help, to get support, to ask questions, to check in, whatever you need, you're going to click on this link, meet.google.com right here. When you click on it, you're going to enter, actually join a meeting, and that's where you enter this code. If you're going to meet with me, if you're my student, you would type in VVM Hawes. And if you are a student of Mr. Ziegler's, you would type in VVMS Ziegler. That will allow you to enter into the Google Meet to come and see us and ask questions or get help. All right. Please remember to only go to the Google Meet of your social studies teacher. We both have plenty of students to see, and we don't really have time to see other people's students. So make sure that you're clicking on your correct teachers or entering your correct teacher's code. All right. Today, for Thursday, you want to make sure that you have completed each of these assignments, all right? Your Chapter 11 notes, and Where Is It Wednesday? That was this page right here. Your vocabulary page with 3 words, coniferous white pine, sawmill, and cant hook. And then your lumber notes. Just this column was due this week, telling us about what the natural resources are, the people and the machines that were involved in the lumber industry. All right. So please make sure that you have all of those complete. If you have not finished them, today is your day to get caught up. All right. It's a chance for you to do the work that you didn't get a chance to do yet. One of your classmates emailed Mr. Ziegler and I and advocated for a little bit more time. And so we're trying to give you that time and make sure that we don't overwhelm you with too much work. All right. If you need help with these lumber notes, there is a slide available to you to kind of help you get caught up and give you an idea of what might be missing. So be sure that you check your notes and make sure you have all of this information. These pages will be helpful to you when you take your weekly quiz on Friday that we put on Friday. So make sure that you're completing them, you're learning this stuff so that you can do the best you can and get those 10 out of 10 points on our weekly quiz. All right. Lastly, today, as a review for a quiz, this is optional. This is not required. We hear you. We know that you're feeling overwhelmed. We know that you have lots of work to do. So we're trying to honor that and make sure that we don't give you too much to do. If you are interested, though, you can go back to The Forest, Fields, and Falls. It's an awesome graphic novel. It's just something you can listen to, something you can look at. The pictures are really cool. And if you'd like to, there is a worksheet here that will make a copy for you that kind of guides you through those 2 graphic novels actually today, one on lumbering and one on sawmilling. They're kind of a nice review. They'll help you get ready for Friday's weekly quiz, but again, not required. You do not have to do this, okay? Make sure that you're getting this done. Make sure that you are completing these pages. Make sure that you are filling out your entry ticket today, and please also make sure that you are taking that weekly quiz on Friday. If you need anything from us, come see us in office hours between 9:30 and 10:30 today. Have a great day. Emails with questions or concerns. We hear you. We see you. We appreciate you. Keep working hard. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Love, Miss Hawes.